Do you know what makes me wonder? Like that, do you know that you can actually, or essentially, press a button and watch a video and get compensated by it? Or what about getting compensated again by just giving the video a like and remark or comment? You can simply do this large number of things effectively for a couple of moments in a single day on your cell phone, and you can make genuine money online over and over. You could undoubtedly pull out the money through PayPal and any other payment options. Wouldn't that be extraordinary? Today, I'll be showing you this site that a couple of individuals know about. I will show you bit by bit on the most proficient method to pursue this. It is totally free and available worldwide. Don't stress because this has no nation limitations. If you stay with me right until the end, I'll even give you an extra reward tip that will give you additional cash with no work required. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the
Easy Cash Money Daily channel,
where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Presently, let us return to the video. Give extremely close consideration to all that I will say since this is a brand new site. I don't need you to miss any significant information. Now, look at here. You can see here that there are 5 distinct strategies that can make you cash on this site. In the first place, browse sites, videos, and advertisements. Then, at that point, leave interactions via online media and that incorporates watching, liking, sharing, and possibly leaving remarks on recordings. You can likewise compose surveys on specific items. You can even finish studies in case that is your thing. I think this is the best technique for amateurs. But don't forget that I have a few hints to impart to you later on this video, so stay with me. Now let me show you the homepage. You can do this in any gadget like your PCs or cell phones. Have confidence that this works in any country on the planet. No cash, no speculation is required either. Allow me to show you how this truly functions. Step 1. Select the technique for acquiring. There are quite numerous ways on the most proficient method to bring in cash on this site. You can browse this multitude of choices here. There are 5 extraordinary techniques as should be obvious. Then, begin dealing with the undertaking. You get sent the installment each and every time. You can really get compensated every 24 hours by utilizing this technique. Doesn't that sound great to you? Assuming you want to pursue a free account, all you have to do is click on the button that says Registration and it will present to you this page. You can see your choice to begin a record. You can enlist utilizing a Google or Microsoft account. However, you can likewise make another one without any preparation by tapping the email and password here, then click straight away. You'll be taken to this page and this is your dashboard. You will see your income right here. Along these lines, this is another record, so you're beginning from $0 since you have not gotten done with any tasks yet. Relax, when you begin bringing in cash, it will appear here on top of your dashboard. You have started setting up your account. So go to your inbox and search for the confirmation link to verify your account. That way, your account can be set up and initiated and you can begin bringing in cash. Presently, back to your dashboard, I need you to click on Earn so you can be taken to this page. You can pick your technique for installments, all of which I showed you before on the video. Allow us to look at the main strategy, which is to browse sites, vids, and promotions. Simply click on the button here that says Earn and you'll be taken here where you can begin browsing promotions so you can start to bring in cash. Once more, when you click on Procure, there will be a pop-up window as you can see here. Though it doesn't make any difference what gadget you're utilizing, you can browse the page for the measure of time shown and ensure you don't simply remain in one spot. This way, you can demonstrate that you are a real individual doing the task and not a robot modified to simply remain there. When the time is up, cash will be credited to your record. That's it. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. So allow me to show you more things. At times, you will be taken to irregular YouTube recordings. What you need to do is press play and watch the video however long the clock demonstrates. Try not to stop the video once the clock runs out, because you won't get the cash. Continuing on now. The following technique is leaving a communication via web-based media. Click on Procure and you'll be taken here. Leave a wide range of corporations. Here is YouTube and Instagram. You can watch videos on YouTube and prefer channels and like recordings. On Instagram, you can like posts and follow accounts. These are simple. No ability even required. Simply do a few clicks and get compensated. I'll show you an example here by watching a YouTube video. Click play and begin watching the video until the clock says as much. Here is a tip. Put down the video quality into its lowest setting. You can save your data in addition to it playing a lot faster. Another strategy is working on comments and reviews or finishing surveys. Additionally, making accounts and preferring pamphlets. If you have not seen it, I have not mentioned the site name yet. It is zareclammy.com. You can download it on iOS and Android gadgets and begin bringing in cash online any place you're at. Presently, here is the reward tip that I'm making you sit tight for. Zareclammy really has a reference program. You can elude or welcome companions to the site when you will acquire a 12% commission. Simply duplicate your referral link and offer it to others. In any case, stand by. Here is another reward tip. You can likewise acquire through this another site. This one is called Coinbase.com. On the homepage, there is a button that says Earn Crypto. Click on that and you'll be taken to this page where you can earn cryptocurrency money while finding out about crypto. Simply watch recordings and you will get compensated. Investigate the amount they will pay you on each video. For instance, click Start Course and you'll be taken here. You will see every one of the examples separated into absorbable recordings that are several minutes each, and you will get paid by watching these videos. It's just plain obvious. You can watch these videos this short, and you can bring in this particular cash. You can likewise welcome companions to utilize the site, and afterwards, you'll procure $50. At that point, when you finish a course, you can simply begin once again and watch another, so you'll continue to bring in cash over and over again. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.